Ni rock ni. Ni rock ni metal kan? Aku dah tahu.
Bang.
Kau takkan dapat punya.
Shopping. Shopping.
Today we're playing
Guess the 2000 song.
Rock Edition.
Tengok ni aku pakai.
Ni millennial siapa pakai ni.
How do you do, fellow kids?
Ini ni dulu lah.
Okay.
Kau ini ke? Kau bukan Gen Z ke?
Hi, I'm Shazwan. I'm a millennial.
Hi, I am Hazam. Dia Gen Z.
Yes.
I'm millennials.
Hi, I'm Iqmal and I am a Gen Z. Yeah.
Do you guys know any rock songs from 2000?
Of course.
Malay or
Si.
English?
English.
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 Sikit-sikit tahu lah.
Kipak tu.
I was meant for loving you, baby.
Biasa delay.
Let's get this party.
So
Ya,
apa
kan.
function ni?
Nak jawab dulu lah.
Kau nak jawab?
Saja awak tanya.
Tak ada siapa pun tekan.
Siapa dulu tak tahu.
Sewaktu aku masih kecil.
Sewaktu aku masih kecil. Since I... Why? Awal lajunya!
When I was a young boy.
Pada dapat lah dulu.
Took me into the city.
To show
To see a marching band. Bro, come on bro. You know what I'm saying.
Oh, dia jawab dulu.
Aku dulu tekan.
aku dulu.
Buta kan?
I'm not blind, you blind.
Replay.
Sewaktu aku masih kecil.
Apa tajuk?
Tajuk. Oh, ni bukan sama lagu.
MCR. Welcome to the
Apa
Black
senang
Parade.
sangat ni? Bagi lagu mainstream tu.
Dia Black Parade. Black Parade. Ya ke? Kau betul ke tak ni?
Aku salah tajuk je.
Aku menang dengan kau.
Come to the Black Parade.
MCR bro.
Correct, Amca.
Okay, next song.
Alright.
Senang sangat je.
Level 1.
Okay, level 1 baru.
Cik, tak tahu.
Baru satu, cik.
Masraf.
Kita mesti tersilap.
Apa tersilap?
Tersilap.
Wrong.
Mistake.
Mistake.
Aku tengok dulu.
Have been mistaken. Wey.
Aku lost ni.
Aku tak tahu tu.
Aku lost ni.
We must be mistaken. Dia lagu apa siap? Tak tahu dah.
Since 1916.
Sebelum tahun 70. Oh,
Next clue je. Next clue. Kau jangan ego.
It's the same since
Ya Allah.
1916.
Sekejap.
Dia nyanyi kat karaoke.
Serius lah.
Ya Allah, apa nama lagu tu? Aku tak ingat dah.
In
your
your
mind.
mind. In your
Aku tahu.
tak boleh macam tu.
Aku dah tekan dulu. Ever seen? Ever seen? Salah.
Salah.
In your head.
Oh, dia Cranberries.
Zombie.
They're still fighting. Zombie, the Cranberries.
Tajuk.
Zombie. Bar.
who?
Dia tak tahu.
Zombie by.
Dia tak tahu.
Bagilah saya tak.
Ha? Dah lah lambat. Zombie by The Cranberries. Oh, kat aku kan. I still... Kasih kat aku. Rama-rama. Rama-rama.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Kau ni kambing betul. Allah.
Oh, I'm inside you.
Still
I'm
inside
still
you.
inside you.
I'm still in you.
Kerana selepas sekian lama, aku masih lagi...
Ui.
I'm still into you.
Oh, lagu. After all this time. Okay.
Furthermore, I'm still into you.
Into you. I'm still into.
Tapi tu bukan rock. Ariana Grande tu. Into you, into you. Bukan eh?
Da-da-da-da-da-da, butterfly.
Kau dengar dulu.
Over all the butterflies. I'm into you.
I'm in.
Dia tak tekan.
Paramore. Butterfly. I'm still into you. Oh my god, finally.
Ambil berus dan letakkan sedikit solekan.
Thick brush, a thick makeup.
Aduh, kita tahu kan? Tak malu.
I think you don't believe.
Lagu apa ni?
I don't think trust.
Aku dah dapat ni. Aku rasa dah dapat ni.
Lagu dengan
Next clue.
Artis sudah dapat?
Wake me up.
Kau ni lah tadi.
Inside.
Ni rock ni. Ni rock ni. Metal kan? Metal kan?
Wake up.
Sabar, aku selalu nyanyi kat karaoke tu. Walaupun dia tak tahu. Jangan tolong dia. Ha. Sorry doh. Hey. Yeah. Aku tu. Aku dah tahu.
Bang.
Kau takkan dapat punya.
Shopping. Chop.
One eternity later.
Chop suey.
Bye.
Chop who?
Chop suey, System of a Down.
System of a Down. Thank you doh. Sit down.
Wake up! Put the generation like a wake up! Aduh, shake up!
Dia punya betul kau ni. Handsome gila awak ni.
Handsome gila awak ni.
Betul ke?
You so cute. Dia tu macam tak kisah.
Langsung. Dia macam dialog. Kau tahu tak? Dia tu macam tak kisah langsung.
Awak boleh dapat yang jauh lebih baik lah.
Betul.
Ya Allah, dia dah macam Eminem ni. He's like, I don't care at all. You can get someone better.
I don't care at all.
Ui.
You can get someone.
Hey, you, I can be your girlfriend. No way.
Alamak. Hey, you. I don't know your girlfriend.
Girlfriend by.
Siapa?
Avril Lavigne.
Okay.
Girlfriend?
Avril Lavigne.
How could you see into
My
my eyes? Aku tahu. Like open door. Jajak.
Aku dah dapat jawapan actually.
Serius ah? How can you see?
Nyanyi. Come on. Gitu.
How can you see my eyes?
Wake me up. Evanescence.
Evanescence.
Aha.
Oh, saya bukan Wake Me Up lah.
Bukan?
Oh, shit.
I'm in danger.
Bring me to life.
Power juga tak sebenarnya.
Oh, Bring Me
to life.
to life.
Baik, Wan.
Dah menang.
Dah menang.
Okay, kelemahan millennials adalah diorang pandai nyanyi tapi diorang tak.
Oh, so korang bukan fanatik sangat lah.
Korang tu siapa?
Millennial?
Dengar tak? Dengar tak?
Mari, hancurkan aku. Dah macam lagu Melayu dah ni.
Come on to the radio.
It's Friday night, I won't be long. Tanam aku. Apa translate dia tu?
Let's destroy me.
My God,
Oh, bury me. Aku tak tahu. Itu je aku tahu.
Okay, go clue 3. Go clue 3. I am finished with you. The Kill.
The Kill. By.
Siapa?
Tengok orang kan. By who?
Aku boleh buat break dulu. Sebab 30 seconds to Mars. Betul tak?
Aku tak dapat.
Ada caller ni membantu.
Tahu.
Kasih point lagi.
Bagi.
Break me down, bury me, I am finished with you.
I'm tired to be like you want. Betul ke?
I'm tired
I'm
to
tired.
be like what you want.
Oh, okay.
I'm tired.
Every step you need.
I'll be watching you. Itu bukan rock.
God, please, no!
Is another mistake for you.
Wow, gempak je kau.
Every step I take.
Hai? Tolonglah English, tak faham tu. Kebas.
Cramp.
Become so numb, I can feel you there.
Weh, dia tak kasih chance.
Hi, became so nice. I don't care.
Apa tajuk?
Numb, Linkin Park.
Betul.
I told you, son. Sonny. Linkin Park fan.
Tak je lagu aku dah bagi. 6.
Linkin Park.
Ini lagu Melayu ni. Terluka.
Terasa hilang arah.
Pernahkah kau merasa?
Hatiku hampa.
Itu lagu dangdut.
Apa tu?
Have you ever felt like breaking down?
Never feel. Na 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 na.
Like a plastic bag.
Betul ke tu? Bukanlah.
Oh, selamat datang ke hidup aku.
Welcome to my life.
Welcome to my life.
Bye.
Bayar.
Aku dah tolong kau translate kan? Bagi aku translate. Kali aku gunting apa kau ni?
Avril Lavigne. Bukan. Welcome to my.
Simple Plan.
Welcome to my life, Simple Plan. Hey. Have you ever feel like breaking down? Okay. Welcome to my life.
So the winner is
Macam aku cakap lah, benda ni senang.
Senang.
So sebenarnya apa yang membuatkan millennials menang kali ni adalah sebab ni.
So the winner is Shazwan.
Yes, yeah, millennial. We grew up with these songs, man.
Tak boleh buat apa lah.
Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoy the video.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.
What was your favorite song? See you next time.